Okay, we got ourselves a HP. This one here, 14-CM, apparently does not hug. No power. Okay, so 14-CM. Let's have a look. What does no power mean? Okay, there's some screw marks. So this has been opened before. Okay, so this one, what is it? What's the issue with this? It's charging port. Seems a bit loose. Let's bring in the charger and let's see the behavior. So we got job information for this one. Okay. Okay, so do we have any light? No, we don't have any light. Have a quick look. Where does the voltage stop? The power comes in. It's a bit ridiculous. Why is that like that? Okay. This is not normal. So 5.14. So this is 3.3 volts. Okay. Battery voltage. It is not charging the battery. No. Okay. Just check for resistance quickly. That's the battery. Okay, we got to take the power out. Okay. Yeah, so someone's already worked on this board, which is fine. Not really fine, but normal in my industry. Okay. Just check that's the ground. Okay. There's nothing connected there anyway. That is a major concern. These are major concerns, yeah. This board is actually gone. Nah, this board is fucked. because my ground is come on, man. My ground is this 1 ohms, 1.05 ohms, and here it's fine, but here it's not. Yeah, so dead short here. That's fine. Yeah, no, this board is definitely gone. Don't even need to check on the microscope, eh? Oh, just see the maybe level of work that was done. Okay, very quick. Was there anything there? Who knows? Okay, nope. But yeah, we can see the work done here. It's a pad, they separated. Yeah, I'm not going to work on this anymore. This one is unfortunately a no-go. Too many dead shorts. That's an important coil. That's an important coil. That's 3.3 volt line. Yeah. This one has no chance. Alright, so see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.